Hi guys, it's Kate with Bosma Design. Right now I'm coming from you live from TASN, and I see all the influencers doing this, so now I'm going to be a food service influencer, and I'm going to put my mic on a fun little stick. But beyond my influencer stage, let me tell you about some of this Metro Mightylite. This is really fun because look, one-handed. What? I'm picking it up. Okay, ready? Camera down, camera up. Look at that. One-handed. Of course, it's empty, but if it's that empty, it's going to be that much easier to carry. Now, the one thing is, in the past couple of years, they have expanded their line, and now I have a Mightylite transport. And little intuitive here, red is hot, blue's cold. All right, and it will tell you everything you need to know. It's going to hold for 5 hours or more. But you have a lot of features, and just like the totes, look at how light this is, y'all. This is one of my favorite things because life safety is important. As we age, our backs are important. I'm not going to lie. That's an issue at my age. So if you weren't here at TASN and you have some questions, please reach out to your local eSource Miller rep or just leave a comment below. Thank y'all.